So you've learned Python. Now let's talk about building some real projects.
It's the classic problem, right? You know the basics, but what do you actually build?
It's all about bridging that gap, moving from just theory to actual practice.
And that's where the book Python Real-World Projects comes in. It's your guide.
Think of it as a hands-on guide. It takes you from a simple concept all the way to the cloud.
And here's the journey it takes you on, from the foundations to building and deploying web apps.
You're not just learning code. You're going to master the tools that pros use every single day.
We're talking about heavy hitters like FastAPI, Pandas, and even Pytest for making sure it all works.
So who's this for? Well, if you know basic Python and want a portfolio, you're all set.
Because the whole point isn't just to learn stuff, right? It's to actually build stuff.
And this is the transformation we're talking about. You'll go from scripts to full-on deployed apps.
Your portfolio is going to look amazing. Think CLI tools, web scrapers, REST APIs, the works.
And you're in good hands, by the way. This whole thing is led by an absolute expert.
The author, Arun Prakash Shivakumar, has over 20 years of experience. That's a huge deal.
His philosophy is about turning challenges into opportunities, and that's what you'll learn to do. Ultimately, this is about gaining the skills and the confidence to tackle real professional work.
So, the real question is, are you ready to take that next step with your Python skills?
The path is laid out for you. So, what's the first thing you're going to build?